All right, here I want to do a drone video over Las Vegas. So I'm just searching for perhaps a drone video and then I'll try to remix it. So here's one. Let's click into it. Let me just save it. An aerial shot of Puerto Barrios, Guatemala. Not really much to it. I'm going to change the 720p. Two variations. Las Vegas. Photo at night. Down the strip. All right, let's create. Suspense is killing me. 4, 3. Wow. This is amazing. This is better than expected. Both are pretty good, but I like the one on the left because you can see the Eiffel Tower or the Paris Hotel. I'm actually going to save this one. This is great. Okay. So one remix I want to do of this is I would like it to fly over the Bellagio, which has these waterfalls. So I'm going to try to remix it to do that. But I like the colors and wow, look out. This is, I mean, this would be a pretty rare shot to get. Not hard to get these days, but drone videos at night are a little bit tougher. But now that AI can do it, it looks like it does it really well. Okay, let's do a medium remix. Do a drone flight over the Bellagio waterfalls as they are. Okay, hopefully it understands that. Bellagio is a pretty famous hotel, but I'm not sure if Sora understands that. We will see. Let's check the other one here. Yeah, in this one, there's actually 2 Paris hotels and 3 of these, I'm not sure what hotel it is, but similar type of air balloons. But you can see right down the strip. All right, let's check out the remix.